Marine navigation is a significant generator of economic output in Canada. The Fraser River is absolutely critical to it. In order for us to facilitate construction during the tunnel project, we had to identify a north and south channel detour. The simulation modeling is done to verify that the pilots that are actually navigating the river can do so in a safe and efficient manner.
The simulator is actually really a three-dimensional computer model of a maritime area, in this case, the Fraser River. The construction segments that are floating on the adjacent shorelines, and then the vessel types that we're navigating in the waterway.
What you see on the screen is a representation of various environmental variables, such as wind, current, and flows in the river. They have a tremendous impact on the ability of vessels to maneuver.
It's all about safety. We do all this simulation. We don't just jump on a ship and assume that everything's going to go. Everything's done with a big plan.
80 to 90% of your goods that come into this city is shipped by water. So I think it's important to know that, the government's looking out for everyone's safety, first and foremost, and for coastal trade.